Hi friends, come let's make cheap low budget fish stew that you could ever see in the internet. So inside the pot I add ololo, which is vegetable oil, add some salt and onion and allow it to fry till everywhere become very fragrant. This is 2 sachets of tomato paste. Add it and stir and allow it to fry for 6 to 7 minutes. As the tomato paste is frying off camera, I clean the fish, spice it up with salt, seasoning cube, curry, thyme and fish seasoning, onion, and allow it to cook for 4 minutes. So coming up to check, the tomato paste has fried enough. So let's introduce the tomato puree which we prepare earlier. This is combination of fresh tomato, shombo, and scotch bonnet with 1 garlic, a clove of garlic. Stir and allow to fry for 20 to 25 minutes on a low heat. Emphasis on low heat so that you won't, get burnt. After 23 minutes, so the tomato has fried enough, I went in with my spices, which is fish seasoning, curry, thyme, and nut cube. Then stir and allow to fry again for next 5 minutes. 5 minutes, I introduce the fish which I steamed area, then test for adjustment. I noticed that it lacks some salt. I sprinkle in some salt and allow it to cook up again for next 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, our stew is ready. Rice is equally ready too, so let's do the plantain.
We fabulous family test. Learn and laugh and make family out of strangers. Fabulous older boo. Food is life and life is food. We fabulous family test. Learn and laugh and make family out of strangers. Fabulous older boo.